You are going to love the 2014 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, cargo net, low tire pressure warning, compass, thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort